Abrehet Welde Mikael. I'm originally from Ethiopia. I have come to Zambia in 2009. Thinking or saying what is mission for me, not going to the books, but what it has been for me, the mission as a Comboni missionary sister, first of all is trust in God. Putting trust in the Lord, because the Lord walks with us wherever we go, and He's the one who enables us to say yes. He is saying yes as a Comboni missionary sister because that is our first demand. If I'm not ready to leave my country and my people, I am not able to be as a Comboni sister. So coming to Zambia and being what has been mission for me is first and foremost is to be with the people, to learn from them and enable to them also with my own gifts, being with them, sharing their life, of course, with their joys and sufferings. And having them in the same team with me, I have really enjoyed. I never did anything alone, but accompanied by them, and I felt the years pass, and when 7 years ended, when they told me to transfer from the community where I have been for 7 years, I looked back, and when I counted, I didn't realize it was past 7 years. But all the same, I'm very grateful to God for the people I met, for the life I'm living. Today, if I'm here in Lusaka in another community, because I'm asked to be with the young people who are searching for their vocation in their life, the will of God, and I'm trying with my little presence to help them how to discern.
Hasta